So Doug, why should I switch over to CA PPM 15.2? What's so great about the latest version?
What's great about the latest version is our resource management capabilities. For the longest time, we've had really strong capabilities, but customers were always asking for a way to do this in a really simple manner. And that's really what the product team has delivered in 15.2. So I'm super excited. It's fun to show clients. They're really excited when they use it. And on top of that, we've done some really cool stuff with the new UX, added some good functionality to the project. So now people can manage documents. We've got some really cool features around collaboration. And we've made some enhancements around the timesheet. So I think the product team is really delivering new features with every release. And it's just so much fun to show.